Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to check whether the scale is still accurate on your THERMOMIX TM6. For that, what I recommend is just either trying to confirm with what result will I get when I put the measuring cup on top of my device. I'll put the official measuring cup, or you can use your other scale if you have a kitchen scale at home and try seeing if the result is similar on both. Later on I'll show you what's the error margin and when to actually how to try fixing, and also when to seek some after-sales service assistance. So first, let's make sure that the mixing bowl and the lid are on our devices, and then let's go to scales. Now, once you get to that, it should display something between -1 and 1. There is a little variation here, so it does get between -1 and 1, -2 and 2, something like that. It's not like very accurate scale. It is accurate, but it's not made to be like a professional grade scale. Now take the measuring cup and just place it on top of your device. If it displays something between 82 and 84, then you are great, and it should be fine. Try placing it again and see if it still displays the same thing. If not, then yeah, let's tear it. Yeah, as I said, between 82 and 84, then it should be fine. If it doesn't, then you may need to make sure that your device is placed on a level surface that's non-slippery, flat and level. If that didn't help and it still displays incorrectly, remember that those like 2-3 grams in that or that way are okay. It's error margin and it's okay for it to do it. But if it happens a lot, like a larger amount of like 20 grams, 10 grams, or I don't know, 50 grams, then you may want to contact the after-sales service. If you're under warranty, they'll surely replace the scale module. If not, then you may want to get it replaced, or just use a separate kitchen scale if the scale broke in the device. Based on my opinion, on my experience, it has never broken in my personal device. So, no matter what model of THERMOMIX it was, TM6, TM5, TM31, they've all been working great. But of course, some things may happen sometimes, and everything breaks. So yeah, I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.